Sakichi Toyoda was a man driven by a passion for invention. Born in 1867 in rural Japan, he witnessed the challenges faced by textile workers. Determined to improve their lives, he dedicated himself to developing new technologies. In 1890, he invented the Toyoda wooden hand loom, increasing weaving efficiency. In 1924, he perfected the Type G automatic loom with automatic thread replenishment. This invention laid the foundation for Toyota's future success. His belief in continuous improvement, or Kaizen, would later guide Toyota's journey into automobiles. Inspired by his father's inventive spirit, Kiichiro Toyoda shared a vision for the future. He saw an opportunity to apply innovation and efficiency to automobile manufacturing. In 1933, Kiichiro established the automobile department within Toyota, Automatic Loom Works. This marked Toyota's entry into transportation. In 1937, it became Toyota Motor Corporation, the family committed to a distinct automotive identity. Despite early challenges, including World War II, Toyota persevered. Driven by quality, innovation, and societal needs, Kiichiro believed in continuous improvement. He encouraged studying leading manufacturers, especially in the US. By learning and adapting, Toyota developed its unique approach. This dedication was crucial to Toyota's success. In 1966, Toyota introduced the Corolla, a car that changed automotive history. Affordable and reliable, the Corolla quickly gained global popularity. Its compact size and fuel efficiency made it a hit. The Corolla's success was due to Toyota's engineering and quality. Each generation reflected continuous improvement. New technologies and safety features were added, but core values remained. The Corolla became a symbol of practical and dependable transportation. Today, it is the best-selling car of all time, with over 50 million units sold. Its legacy shows Toyota's ability to resonate with customers globally. The Corolla's success established Toyota as a global leader. The Toyota Production System, or TPS, is more than just a manufacturing methodology. It is a philosophy that permeates every aspect of Toyota's operations. Developed over decades, TPS is rooted in the principles of Jidoka and just-in-time production. Jidoka, meaning automation with a human touch, empowers workers to stop the production line if any defects or abnormalities are detected, ensuring that only perfect products proceed. This concept promotes built-in quality and prevents the accumulation of defects. Just-in-time focuses on producing only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the exact quantity required. This eliminates waste in the form of excess inventory, overproduction, and unnecessary movement, resulting in a lean and highly efficient manufacturing process. TPS emphasizes continuous improvement, encouraging all employees to identify and eliminate waste, improve processes, and strive for excellence. The Toyota Production System has revolutionized manufacturing worldwide. Its principles have been adopted by companies across various industries, leading to significant improvements in efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. TPS is a testament to Toyota's belief that true innovation lies not just in the products themselves, but also in the processes used to create them. In 1997, Toyota made a bold statement with the launch of the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid electric vehicle. At a time when climate change and resource depletion were becoming increasingly pressing concerns, the Prius offered a viable solution, a car that combined a gasoline engine with an electric motor, significantly reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The Prius was more than just a car. It was a symbol of Toyota's commitment to environmental responsibility and its vision for a more sustainable future. The Prius challenged conventional automotive paradigms. It demonstrated that performance and sustainability were not mutually exclusive, paving the way for the widespread adoption of hybrid technology. Toyota's early investment in hybrid technology showcased its long-term vision and its willingness to take risks to address global challenges. The Prius became a global icon, synonymous with environmental consciousness and technological innovation. Its success inspired other automakers to invest in hybrid and electric vehicle development, accelerating the transition towards a more sustainable automotive industry. Toyota's pioneering work with hybrid technology demonstrated its commitment to creating vehicles that meet the needs of both present and future generations. Beyond the road ahead, fuel cells and the future of mobility. Toyota's pursuit of sustainable mobility extends beyond hybrid technology. The company has been at the forefront of fuel cell technology, developing vehicles powered by hydrogen. Fuel cell vehicles like the Toyota Mirai offer the potential for zero-emission driving, emitting only water vapor as a byproduct. Toyota believes that hydrogen fuel cell technology holds immense promise for a future where transportation no longer relies on fossil fuels. The development of fuel cell technology presents significant challenges, including infrastructure development and the production of green hydrogen. Toyota, however, views these challenges as opportunities for innovation and collaboration. The company is actively working with governments and industry partners to establish a hydrogen-based society, investing in research, infrastructure development, and public awareness campaigns. Toyota's commitment to fuel cell technology reflects its long-term vision and its belief in a multi-solution approach to sustainable mobility. The company recognizes that different regions have different needs and resources, and therefore a diverse range of technologies will be required to achieve a truly sustainable transportation system. Driving towards a greener tomorrow, Toyota's commitment to sustainability. Toyota's commitment to sustainability extends far beyond its vehicles. The company has implemented comprehensive environmental initiatives throughout its operations, from manufacturing processes to material sourcing. Toyota has set ambitious goals to reduce its carbon footprint, minimize waste, and conserve water. These goals are integrated into every aspect of the company's operations, reflecting its holistic approach to environmental responsibility. Toyota is actively involved in initiatives to promote biodiversity, conserve water resources, and reduce its environmental impact throughout its supply chain. The company engages with local communities, supporting environmental education programs and collaborating on sustainability projects. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is not merely a corporate social responsibility initiative. It is a core business principle. The company recognizes that environmental stewardship is essential for its long-term success and for the well-being of society as a whole. Toyota's comprehensive approach to sustainability demonstrates its leadership and its determination to create a better future for generations to come. A legacy of innovation, Toyota's enduring impact. From its humble beginnings in textile manufacturing to its position as a global automotive giant, Toyota's journey has been marked by relentless innovation and an unwavering commitment to quality. The company's founding principles, rooted in the pursuit of excellence, continuous improvement, and respect for people, continue to guide its decisions and shape its culture. Toyota's impact extends far beyond the automotive industry. The Toyota production system, with its focus on efficiency and waste reduction, has revolutionized manufacturing worldwide, inspiring companies across various sectors. Toyota's pioneering work in hybrid and fuel cell technology has accelerated the transition towards a more sustainable automotive industry, paving the way for a future of cleaner and more efficient transportation. Toyota's unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction, its commitment to its employees, and its deep respect for the environment have earned it a reputation as a responsible corporate citizen. Toyota's legacy is one of innovation, quality, and sustainability, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring impact of a company dedicated to making a positive difference in the world. The Future in Motion, a vision of sustainable mobility for all. As Toyota looks to the future, it envisions a world where mobility is safe, sustainable, and accessible to all. The company is committed to developing technologies and solutions that address the evolving needs of society, from urban congestion and air pollution to the challenges of an aging population. Toyota is investing heavily in research and development, exploring new frontiers in artificial intelligence, robotics, and connected car technologies. Toyota's vision extends beyond individual vehicles. The company is working towards creating integrated mobility ecosystems that seamlessly connect different modes of transportation, from cars and buses to trains and bicycles. By leveraging data and technology, Toyota aims to optimize transportation systems, making them more efficient, accessible, and environmentally friendly. Toyota's commitment to sustainable mobility is driven by a deep sense of responsibility to future generations. The company recognizes that its actions today will shape the world of tomorrow, and it is dedicated to creating a future where everyone has the freedom to move safely, sustainably, and without limitations. Toyota's journey is far from over. It is a continuous evolution driven by a relentless pursuit of a better tomorrow for all.